Hello subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Today I have teamed up with the company Anairui to review their spa facial mask. This is the box that the kit comes in, which on the back lists all the ingredients as well as the uses for each mask. This kit contains 3 different masks that all include different ingredients. Each of these masks are used in different ways to improve the skin, and it also contains a silicone brush that is used to apply each mask on your skin. The first mask that I will be using is the Dead Sea Minerals Mud Mask. This mask is used to revitalize, control acne, and contract pores. This mask has a very creamy light consistency and texture. And as you guys can see, I'm applying it all over my face, excluding my chin because I am currently taking acne medicine for specifically my chin, and I do not want to mix any different products together. But after I apply this all over the areas that I want to, I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I continue to go on to the next mask. The second mask that I will be using is going to be the Turmeric Clay Mask. This mask aids in brightening, repairing, and also anti-aging. Just like the mud mask, this mask also has a very creamy consistency, and I'm also applying it to the same areas as well as letting it sit for only 5 minutes. The third and final mask that I will be using out of this kit is the Green Tea Clay Mask. This mask aids in oil control, deep cleansing, as well as blackhead removing. This mask, just like the 2 masks before, it has a creamy consistency, and I go ahead and apply it just like I did the last 2, and go ahead and let it sit for 5 minutes as well. Now that I'm finished with this kit, I go ahead and add my favorite moisturizer, and now my skin is feeling smooth and replenished. I want to thank everyone who watched my video. Make sure to give it the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribing, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Until I see you guys next time.